Good morning, students. Today I am starting here chapter 5, and the name of the chapter is decision making statement, and these are also called a conditional statement. So in this chapter, there are most important topics are the if statement, if else statement, nested if statement, and switch statement. So the meaning of the decision making here will be a minimum at least one condition in your program, and there will be a two situations. When there is at least one condition, so there may be a two situations. If the condition is true, then one part of the program will be execute, otherwise the second part will be execute. So here the some topics are the program constructs. So the program can be divided there. They are divided into three. First one is sequence, means a program without conditions is called a sequence. And the second one is a selection program. So this is the program is based on the conditions and the topics which is covers in the selection, that is the if else and switch. And third portion is a iteration. So this is for the perform the repeated task, and the examples of this is all the loops. And now here we are seeing a first statement, if statement. So the syntax of this statement is if condition, and there will be a set of statement or a single statement. The single statement, that curly bracket is not required, but if there is the more than one statement, then we require the block for the if statement. Now let's take one of the example is here we are finding a number between 2 using a if statement. So in this program the value of a is 15 and the value of b is 10. So the if is greater is b, then we are printing a is big, and otherwise we are not printing any statement. So this is only the if. Or you can say this is the more examples. Finding the greater number between 2's only if. So suppose you have inputted a number a and b, so we will write the statement if a is greater than b, then system.out.print a is greater, or if this condition is false or either a true, then this will go to the next statement. If b is greater a, then system.out.print b is greater. So here we are printing both the message, but the program is with the help of if statement. Now the next statement is a if else statement, and the syntax of if else is a if and there is a condition. So if the condition is a true, then statement 1 will be execute. Here will be a single statement or multiple statement, otherwise the statement 2 will be execute. The same program I am explaining here with the help of if else. So suppose you have inputted a number in a and b, so we will write the condition if a is greater than b, then system will print the message a is greater, otherwise we will not check any condition, and system will print the another message, that is b is greater. This is the one more example. This here we are using the multiple if else statement. So input a three numbers from user and find the greater number between this. So this is the complete program. Class demo public void input, or we can write a public void main, and here we are inputting a three number, and the numbers are in the variable integer a, b and c. So the first condition is if a is greater than b and a is greater than c, then we are printing a is greater. In case of when the first condition will be false, this will come on the second statement. If again we are checking here, if b is greater than a and b is greater than c, then we are printing b is greater. If the a and b are not greater, then system will automatically print the message c is greater. So the major difference between a if and if else, when there is a multiple if statement inside a if else, then when the condition will be true, so the system will be exit from the if else block, so the program speed will be fast. One in case of the if statement, if the first if condition is true, then system again this will check the second condition, third condition, and so on. Even these condition will not true, so your program speed will be slow.